Well, if you are watching this video, it means you have purchased one of my Excel course bundle, and I congratulate you all for purchasing this bundle. While you go through this course, you will have the basic understanding of Microsoft Excel. I am your instructor, Ravi. Who am I and why should you learn from me? Well, I am Ravi and I have been working on Excel for the past 6 years. Have also trained over 3,873 candidates while recording this video in the last 3 years, both in online and offline mode. I basically believe in learning by doing. Hence, while I have prepared this video, I have taken all the live examples. I hold a master degree in computer science. I work for a company situated in Bihar, India. My company basically deals in skilling the youths and making them job ready. My work in the company basically deals in data management, data analysis, where Microsoft Excel comes quite handy. I have been awarded the best employee for the consecutive 2 years at my organization. Who are the audiences? This tutorial has been designed for computer users who would like to learn Microsoft Excel in easy and simple steps. It will be highly useful for those learners who do not have any prior exposure to Microsoft applications. What are the prerequisites? Before proceeding with this tutorial, you should have a basic understanding of computer peripherals like mouse, keyboard, monitor, screen, etc. and their basic operations. You should also have the basic skill of file management and folder navigation. Last but not the least, you must have Microsoft Excel installed in your computer. Let us quickly go through the syllabus that we'll be covering in this course bundle. First of all, we'll be starting with a very basic, that is how to start Microsoft Excel. We will be then exploring the windows. We'll be going to the Backstage view of Microsoft Excel. Then we'll learn how to enter the values, how to move around the sheets, how to save the workbook, how to create new worksheet, how to copy a worksheet, how can you hide a worksheet, how can you delete that worksheet, how do you close and open a worksheet. Moving forward, in the editing section, we'll learn about inserting data, selection of data, deletion of data, moving data from one cell to another or from one column to another column. We'll then have a look into the rows and columns, the process of copy and paste, find and replace, spell checking, zoom in and out, special symbols, insert comments, add text boxes and undo changes. Moving forward, in the formatting cells, we'll be looking in setting the cell type, their fonts, the text decoration, rotate cell, setting colors, text alignment, merge and wrap text, border and shadings, apply formattings. After formatting cells, we'll be moving on to formatting worksheets. Here we will learn about sheet options, how to adjust margins, how to view page orientations, how to feed header and footer, how to insert page break, how to set background, how to freeze panels, how to format conditionally. Later on, we'll be moving to the formula section. That's very important part of Microsoft Excel. We learn how to create formulas, how to copy formulas, how formula references, how to use functions, and how to use the built-in functions. Moving forward to the advanced section, we'll be learning about data filtering, sorting, using ranges, data validations, using styles, using themes, using templates. Most probably we won't be looking at macros here in this course bundle. We'll be adding this in the later courses, adding graphics, cross-referencing, printing worksheets, email workbook, translate worksheet, workbook security, then data tables, the pivot table, the very important part of Microsoft Excel. Then we'll move to simple charts versus the pivot charts, and then we'll learn about keyboard shortcuts. Don't worry if you didn't get it right here. While we move on to the tutorial, you'll understand each and every topics very properly, so need not to worry. And to complete this whole syllabus, I will be moving in a prescribed manner. That is, we will learn the whole Excel using tab wise. We'll be covering one tab slowly, and we'll be learning each and everything in a very easy steps, because I believe and have also experienced that learning is easy and convenient to adapt when you learn using a single tab, when you start learning tab wise. Okay, so we'll be meeting in the next video. Thank you till then.